what we have here are homemade gnat traps, made food containers that I kept after I purchased food from one of my favorite Chinese restaurants. And so I keep the containers, and I found use of them. I had a gnat problem, so I decided not to go out and start buying all of these gnat traps and all of these things. I said, well, I think I could probably make some gnat traps myself. So I took these containers and I added vinegar, sugar, and a little dishwashing detergent to them. And amazingly, they trapped so many gnats that I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. I drill holes at the top using my drill. It was easier for me to get a drill bit and just puncture the holes at the top of it and bag the drill out to keep from destroying it. But the holes are just big enough for the gnats to go in. And the odor is very attracting to these particular gnats. Now, I'm gonna lift up these containers and show you what actually at the bottom of it, where the gnats will float down to the bottom. So I'm gonna pick up each one, and I'm gonna pick this one up. And I put these in different locations inside of my home. So now this one, I don't suggest you probably using one that this large, but I had the container and I used it. So look at the gnats. Look how many gnats at the bottom of that. Very effective. So last one, and I'm about to throw this out, and I'm gonna rinse these out, and I'm gonna keep them for the next time I have a gnat problem. So this is something that I suggest you do if you don't want to go out and spend a lot of money in the stores. Just make your own gnat traps. See you later. Comment below.